Commute to work or play in your own personal helicopter. Miracle Acrylic Bubble makes it possible.
Eegah drives a tank?
Well, I don't really know what to say, Roy. Look, this isn't goodbye, really. There are other helicopter rides.
So you got everything?
Surprise! I am Jose Greco.
Don't you forget, I want you to meet me at the mouth of Deep Canyon tomorrow at 4.
Sure, for whatever.
I sure hope it doesn't get hot.
Jeez, that helicopter took off fast. Where'd he go?
Hey, to the left. Yeah. There.
Hey, that's my daughter.
See, those are his contact lenses. He's quite nearsighted, actually.
Meet him at Deep Mouth Canyon tomorrow at 4. What the hell was I thinking? Jeez.
Oh, yeah, you can tell he's an experienced mountaineer.
The hell? Is that a Bell Huey? Whoa, flashbacks kicking in. Dang.
Better tell others. Oh, wait, there are no others.
The old Indiana Jones Chronicles.
Watch out for snakes.
It's Lawrence of Pasadena.
Oh man, look, he's wearing corrective shoes with black socks.
We're in corrective everything.
Oh, this is a Kodak moment.
Okay, say embers.
They took the whole Cherokee Nation.
This is going to prove a lot to the Royal Geographic Society.
Howard Hughes?
Victim of his own fashion sense.
No!
No means no, Eegah.
Oh, no. No! No!
It's under a big W.
What?
Oh, it's a Tampax commercial.
I love you, Vicky.
Ah!
You know I do.
You know, maybe you should move those amps away from the pool.
My whole life has changed.
He's surrounded by adoring housewives.
So the first day we met was my last day.
G7, D major,
with
to
you.
G.
Brian Jones!
Vicky.
What?
Oh, Vicky.
What? Shut up, you're embarrassing me.
What have I done?
Oh, would-be gentlemen by the side of the pool, please discontinue the song. And watch out for snakes.
Johnny Winter and...
We can have so
Look, Mom, watch me.
Man, it looks like it hurts to be him.
don't love me. I was a fool.
Oh, bet people in those rooms are calling the management right now.
Oh,